Hello all, welcome again. And today I'm going to show you how to create a vision enabled chat. Enabled means we will supply any image, and based on the image we will ask something about the this image through the AI. Okay. To create this application, we are going to choose a model GPT-4o. So first of all, we have to go ai.azure.com portal, and you can say it's the Microsoft Foundry portal. And I am going to search here GPT-4o. Okay, just click on this. Now this is the details. You can take the details about this model, what it will do. Okay, it will support a text, image, and audio output as a text, and this is all details. Now there is a button here, use this model. Just click on this. I am going to create a project by using this model, and I am going to create a new project. Suppose project name also AI project. Any name you can give, and I am selecting resource group. So you can see here I am just giving any project name, and this is my subscription. And you can select your resource group, or you want to create the new resource group. Just click on the create new resource group and click here the create and continue button. It's started to set up your new project, and it will use the your model GPT-4o. It will take 1 or 2 minutes. You can see here project is created, and it will ask the pop-up for deployment. Just it's loading the resources. And okay, we need to just click on the deploy. So you can say this is the model version, capacity 100k tokens per minute. If you want to change, you can change here also. And I am not going to change, I just deploying it. Now you can see here the its model is deployed, and this is the details to which we are going to call through the Python code. But this is the API key, these are the URLs. Okay, now let's first test something using the playgrounds. So here is the left hand side, all the details you can find. Here is the playground buttons for testing purpose. And we have the different playground here: chat playground, image playground, speech playground. So we are using the chat playground here, and this is for testing purpose. I am just inserting a image. Suppose I am inserting a image here, and I am giving the details like what is the fruit, and give me few recipes using it. Okay, I'll just click on the send button. You can see here, this is orange, it's giving the response. This is orange. Yes, sir. And these are the some orange juice we can make. We can make orange salad and all. These are the ingredient. What is the recipe? All the details you can find here. So this is the very simple steps to create in the Azure AI. Now let's go to the Python code. How we can call this model using the Python. Okay, let's see in the Python code how we can connect. First of all, we require the few things. You guys are already know we require the Azure endpoint, deployment name, and what is the version and key. Where you find these all details, you will find the details in the when you click on the overview. You can key this is the API key, and this is your service endpoint. And in the model, you will find the what is the model version. When you go to the model and endpoints, so you will see here model name is this one. This is the model name, this is the version, all the details you can find here. You can see here the code also. If you want the exact code, you can get the code from here also. Okay, after getting the details, we are creating the object of Azure Open API, and its name is client. Now I am just adding a system message, like I am giving the instruction to my model, like the you are an AI assistant in a grocery store that sells fruits, to provide the details answer to questions. By using the system message, I am like the instructing my models like the this mod act like a grocery store and fruits. Okay, and this is very few lines of code, just a loop asking the prompt from the user. If it is cute, then I am breaking, otherwise I am getting the prompt. And taking the image like I show you in the playground, you are inserting the image. I am keeping the image in my image folder, that is the orange image. I am taking the image from there, and prompt from the user. And this is the one line of code, client.chat.completion.create, and I am passing here the model name. Message, you can see here role system, and one role is the user content, and whatever we are passing the prompt and image, and it giving the response dot message 0 dot message dot content, and just printing. This is the very few lines of code. And regarding the framework which you are using, you are using only the OpenAI, that you need to install. And I added in the requirement dot text what is the required. Now let's go and run this project. You can see here Python, and Python file name chatapp.py. Just click on the enter button. You will see here ask a question about the image. The image is orange, so I am just giving the prompt, what is the fruit, and give me some recipes using it. This is the very simple prompt. What is the fruit, and give me some recipes using it, and clicking the enter button. Now it's started calling the Azure AI model, and it will give the response in few seconds. It's getting a response. You can see here I got the response. What is the response? Let's see. The first question, what is the fruit? This is the orange. Give it the one line of the details, and I want the some recipe using it. They give the some recipe like the orange juice, salad, orange formal, and what is the instruction to create in, right? Yeah, in this way we can call our GPT model by passing the image with instruction and give and get the response. That's all for the today videos. Thank you all. Hope you like my videos today. Okay, thank you. I'm just passing the quit and it will be good. Yeah, thank you for watching the video. And if you have any question, then give me the comment. I will reply as soon as possible. And if you like my video, then please like and subscribe. Thank you.